The following message is transmitted at the request of the Detroit Police Department. An unidentified object has been roaming the streets of Detroit, Michigan. This creature is believed to be very dangerous and could cause a lot of damage to the city. Everyone in the area must take shelter immediately or you will be facing certain death. The creature has also been confirmed to be Rabid. This has been confirmed by a local resident who saw the creature up close before getting eaten alive. Move into a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of any building and stay as quiet as possible. Stay calm at all times. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Detroit Police Department. The unidentified object is known as a rabid dog that has multiplied and is now rampaging throughout the city. Do not approach these dogs as they are known for being extremely dangerous. If you are outside, take shelter inside your home immediately. If you have nowhere to shelter, a local authority will lead you to a nearby building. And most importantly, stay calm at all times. I repeat, stay calm at all times. The following message is transmitted at the request of the civil authorities. All dogs have been terminated and we will now return back to our normal programming. Thank you for your cooperation during this event.